How to delete your story on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete your story on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So if your TikTok app is still not updated, simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store and then type in TikTok and make sure to click on the update button if you have that update button. And then, assuming that you have updated your TikTok, you just simply open by clicking your TikTok and then let's just go back first. So there are actually two ways in deleting your TikTok story. So the first one is by going to your profile and then simply click on your profile picture right here. So once you click on your profile picture, then you may be able to see your story. So simply click on the three dots right here and then click on delete right here. For the second option, you may actually go to inbox right here, and then you may also see your story on the upper left corner of the screen. So click on it, and then again, click on the three dots, and then click on delete. And then, so actually, I think is a third step or third way. So you just simply go to your profile once again, and then click on story right here. And again, simply repeat the steps by clicking on three dots and clicking on delete. So click on delete once again, and then that's it. That's how you can delete your story on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.